In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Mailchimp audience contacts to a CSV file. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, portable spreadsheet of your contacts that you can back up, analyze, or move to another platform. We'll keep it simple, stick to the exact process, and add helpful context along the way so you know what to expect. First, from your Mailchimp dashboard, head to the Audience section and open Contacts. This view shows the people stored in your selected audience, along with details like email addresses, names, and status. If you manage more than one audience, make sure the correct one is active before moving forward, so you export the right set of contacts. Next, find the Export option. Depending on your layout or account, you'll see Export Audience or Export Contacts. Both lead to the same outcome. Mailchimp prepares a file containing your contact data. Click that Export option to start the process. After you confirm the export, Mailchimp will generate a zip file that contains your contacts in CSV format. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a universally compatible spreadsheet format that opens in tools like Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple Numbers. If your audience is large, generation can take a little time. That's normal. You can keep the tab open while Mailchimp prepares the file. Once the export is ready, download the zip file to your computer. Locate the downloaded zip, then extract it. On most systems, you can double-click to unzip or right-click and choose Extract. Inside, you'll find one or more CSV files with your contacts. Open the CSV to view your data. You can use your preferred spreadsheet app to sort, filter, and review columns such as email address, first and last name, tags, and subscription status. A few tips as you work with the file. Keep it secure. Contact lists often include personal information, so store it in a safe location and share it only with trusted parties. If your spreadsheet shows scrambled characters, adjust the file's encoding to UTF-8 when opening it. And if you plan to import this CSV into another service, check that platform's template so your columns align correctly, which helps avoid mapping issues during import. That's all there is to it. You went to Audience and opened Contacts, selected the export option available to you, let Mailchimp generate the zip, then downloaded, extracted, and opened the CSV to access your contacts. You now have a reliable copy of your audience that you can use for backups, migrations, and reporting.